Altium Designer is the standard for PCB design. This is because it's an all-in-one, feature-rich design environment with a modern, powerful, and unique approach to design. Whether you're designing small or large, simple or complex, Altium Designer has you covered. With support for high speed, HDI, and rigid flex, there's nothing it can't handle. One of the main technologies behind all of these capabilities is the industry-leading interactive routing engine, which is able to push and shove objects, length tune with a built-in electromagnetic field solver, and route at any angle. Schematic capture is agile and intuitive, enabling users to design flat and hierarchical projects with ease. And a dynamic data model, together with continual compilation, allows for instant availability of net lists and project structure changes, as well as rapid access and editing of a component's properties, models, and parameters. Altium Designer manages data in a convenient and transparent manner with status and lifecycle control. By having all data in one place, users can effortlessly create complete documentation packages for manufacturing and assembly in seconds. A beautifully modern and intelligent unified user interface brings out the full power of your tools in a platform that's easy to use and simple to understand. This means a lower learning curve, allowing you to be proficient in almost no time at all. And with the world's largest international community of electronics design professionals, you're never alone. Altium Designer hosts an intuitive and modern user interface for each design workspace, all operating within the Altium Unified Design environment. What this means is that controls and shortcuts used in one editor translate to another. This reduces the learning curve and increases efficiency. But this idea of homogeneity isn't reserved for just commands, but for the entire environment that you're working in. Toolbars and panels are intelligent, displaying context-sensitive information, so you're only shown relevant information when you need it. When it comes to editing and designing in an interactive 3D environment, Altium Designer continues to lead the way. An intelligent filtering engine allows you to filter through groups of components and even specific components. And since you're working within a unified design environment, you have instant access and editing ability to all available component parameters. You can even customize the look and feel of your 3D workspace by adjusting the transparency levels of each 3D model. Not only can you interact with components, but with physical connections as well, including tracks, vias, and polygons. With a variety of view modes and visualization modifications, Altium Designer helps you to review complete connection paths for each net, making visual design checks more efficient and reliable. A dense board layout can be a challenge for even the most seasoned designer. Irregular routing channels, sophisticated fan-out strategies, and components with non-standard footprints often can't be effectively routed using standard trace angles. They require an advanced approach. Altium Designer introduces new routing technology that helps users overcome these common design pitfalls with free angle segments and tangential arcs. With the ability to make completely smooth and accurate transitions along the entire trace, PCB designers are able to route nets with complex geometries, quickly, efficiently, and in a well-controlled and predictable manner. Need to polish an existing route? The improved glossing feature will help you clean up existing traces in your design, while maintaining your high routing standards.
Getting a new product to market goes way beyond just the schematic and PCB design. Design collaboration between industrial, mechanical, and electronics domains, and with your customers, and the ability to securely share key design elements with key stakeholders, no matter where they are, makes development, design review, and release to manufacturing as smooth as silk. Anywhere the right design information is under the right fingertips, you get success. Connect with anyone and work from anywhere with Altium Designer and Altium 365.